everyone! Today's video is about something I get a lot of questions and comments on, both on the internet and IRL. If you've been following me for any amount of time or have seen any of my streams or my Instagram, you know that I really like wearing glitter. I wear it probably about in 50% of my streams. I also go out like that because I'm too lazy to change my makeup after I've done a photo shoot or a stream in it, so I just keep it on and go out like that. So I've gotten a lot of comments about how do I get my glitter to look like that? How do I get it to look so vibrant? How do I get it to stay on? How does it not make a mess? And I was going to answer some of those questions by doing a mini tutorial about how to do my glitter. Obviously, I already have some makeup on my face, so a lot of makeup on my face. Actually, I have a full face. All I need to add is my glitter, how I do it. And I thought I could take you guys along with me and then show you a little bit about cleanup and how easy it can be to remove the glitter without getting it everywhere. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. So for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, if you haven't seen the glitter looks that I do, here are some examples of the glitter, just a few pictures of different colors I do, just so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about before we really get into the tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing pink, which is, my makeup's a purpley pink, so I figured pink would be the best color to do. And I'm feeling more shimmery than chunky glitter today, so pink's just easier because I have more pink options to work with. First thing I do is get my blusher brush out, and my favorite eyeshadow palette. You can see the pinks and whites are used a lot because I use them as highlight. I also use this orange as highlight sometimes, so this is the color that I'm going to be using today. And I use my blusher brush instead of my highlight brush because I'm going across my entire face. Yeah, let's get that pink going. I just throw it on. There's no real, I guess there's a little bit of a method, but I just try and cover my entire cheekbone and bridge of my nose. Throwing one of either the white or the light pink. I'm going to do the white today over it, plus the white has a little bit of a purple shine to it in this palette, which it's this palette, by the way, that I use for my blush and highlight, and I don't touch any of the other colors, as you can see, is called Fantasy. It's by Dream in Color. It's literally from Amazon. It was like 12 bucks. I got it because it had pinks, so I didn't really have to worry about doing highlight. I figured if it's not that pigmented, it's okay because I want some pink highlight, but I prefer to use eyeshadow as highlight. So you can see a little bit of that purple when the light hits it right. So, put a base down to put the glitter on top of, especially if I'm working with a color that's more iridescent, which I'm not today, but some days I will put a more iridescent color to really get the color of whatever highlight or blush that I use as my base. And now that we have the base, today I'm using from Uniglitter, I'm using Cherry Blossom UV Unicorn, and from the Shimmer Shack I'm going to be using the Rose Gold color, which is one of my favorites. I really like the Shimmer Stack. Oof, hard to say. But the Rose Gold Shimmer is one of my favorites. Also, the Rose Gold regular glitter is great. It's a slightly different color than the Shimmer one, but I love the Rose Golds. They're two of my favorites from Uniglitter. I'll put the link to Uniglitter in the description, and you can use code AuthenticallyOnIce for 20% off of your order if you would like. This video is not sponsored by Uniglitter. I just really love their products, and even if you don't use my code, I think you should invest in their products if you are at all interested in glitter. So I apply with my hands. They have applicators with, anytime you order glitter, they'll give you applicators. But I prefer using my fingers. The best thing about Uniglitter is it's not very messy. It comes in aloe vera gel, so if you're allergic to aloe vera, unfortunately you can't use Uni Glitter. But it does prevent a mess. You can just scoop it out, put it on your face. You don't have to worry about it falling out everywhere when you open the jar. It's pretty great. So I'm gonna put the cherry blossom on first. See, the pink doesn't look so crazy once you have some glitter on top. It looks pretty cute. We have the rose gold from the shimmer stack. Sometimes I like to mix two colors together because I think, one, they both look good with the color, but alone they're not enough. Or in this case, one's really light, one's much darker, so I wanted to get somewhere kind of in the middle. Be careful around your eyes. Part of the reason I like to do it with my fingers is because it's much easier to control where it goes. Also, the great thing about this is you can't do too much glitter. It still looks good. Because I'm always like, I don't want any skin showing. Any of my skin showing under the glitter. And this is the final look. Pink glitter, pink look. I really like doing my makeup with glitter because it hides, like it distracts from any mistakes I might have made with my makeup, because I'm not the best at doing makeup. I like to play with makeup, but I'm not very good at it. But if I throw glitter on my face, if I mess up my makeup right before stream, nobody's gonna be looking at the messed up makeup. People are gonna be looking at the glitter. So it's just really great to hide any mistakes I made. I also just think it's a really cute look to have the glitter go all the way across your face. I think it suits my face better than just a little bit like on the side of my eye, because I've tried that look and I don't like it as much for me. I think other people look so cute with it, and then I tried it and I was like, I hate this. So yeah, this is more, I feel much more comfortable with my makeup like this than with just a little bit of glitter. So taking the glitter off, you need a lint roller. I'm not going to take all of the glitter off right now because I'm really liking this look with the headband and the hair. It doesn't work as well with the shimmer as with the chunky glitter. You can see that's already like so much less. It still works well, just the chunky glitter is easier because it's larger pieces. It takes longer with the shimmer, but yeah. Comes right off. And anything you miss, you can I just use a makeup wipe and it gets the rest of it without making a huge mess. So yeah, glitter doesn't have to be messy, guys. You can have a fairly easy cleanup. You can get a lint roller just about anywhere. So if you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Wow, that was hard to say. This is why I don't do this. This is why I don't say these things, because it's like on Twitch, I can't do the Twitch Prime spiel without tripping over my words, so I just probably shouldn't do it anymore. Yeah. If you liked the video, thanks for watching. If you didn't like the video, also thanks for watching. You don't have to like the video. That's totally okay. Just let me know if you have any other things that you want to see, if you've seen me do something with my makeup that you want to see, or if you really like my Genshin videos, or you really like something that I do or talk about, and you want to see more about it, let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to do some more of those. Or even if it's something that I don't do currently and you want to see it, I might consider it. Alright guys, bye! Thanks so much for watching! I hope you guys learned something valuable about glitter, because I sure love glitter, and I hope I passed a little bit of love on to y'all. See you guys next time.